Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. Today is the finale of our second build computer series. If you haven't watched parts 1 or 2 yet, the links are in the description to check them out. Stay tuned to the end of this video for an update on how to be part of our giveaway. You won't want to miss out. Here is a quick recap of what we have done so far. First, we inverted the build. Then we installed all of the components. Now, let's turn this machine on. As you can see in an inverted build, all of the components are upside down. We do eventually fix the AIO LED screen to the correct orientation. This is fixed within the NZXT software, which requires the OS to be installed. The GeForce RTX light-up logo will remain upside down since the graphics card is inverted. As a reminder, all of the components used in this build are in the description. None of the components have moving parts, so them being upside down will not hurt them. This AIO did give us some issues in the beginning. It would constantly stay at one temperature, even when the computer was being used heavily. We knew that this was not correct. We did reach out to NZXT customer support and they helped point us in the right direction to resolve this issue. Unplugging the cooler and then replugging it back in seems to solve the issue. We will give you a little look into the BIOS when first starting up the PC. We hope you enjoyed this build as much as we did. Now, let's get into the details of our giveaway. Check out our latest short on the giveaway options for our lucky winner. On April 1st at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be going live on YouTube. Don't worry, this is not an April Fool's joke. If you are subscribed, you are welcome to join us and we will be randomly selecting a winner. The winner must be present at the giveaway event and responsive in the chat. We will reach out personally to discuss the process for receiving the prize. We hope to see you at our giveaway event. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel to see our upcoming videos.